In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subpages in Wix Studio. As you work on designing your website and creating a seamless user experience, learning how to organize your menu with subpages can elevate the structure and navigability of your site. Let's dive into this process and explore these methods step by step. First, open your Wix Studio and navigate to the menu of your site. This is your starting point for organizing your pages. Right away, you'll notice that options specific to managing your menu will appear. You'll want to select the Manage Menu option from these available choices. Once you do that, a new window will pop up, offering you control over the various pages within your menu. From here, you have the ability to choose which pages should be transformed into subpages. It's straightforward. Simply decide on the page you wish to convert. Hover over this page, and you'll see a set of 3 dots icon. Click on this icon, and a list of actions will drop down. Now you want to select Move Under. By doing this, you effectively make the chosen page a subpage of the one above. It's that easy. This method neatly categorizes your content, helping visitors find what they need more efficiently. Alternatively, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, Wix Studio provides you the possibility of using the drag method. This might be more intuitive for those comfortable with a drag-and-drop function. To do this, click and hold on the page you wish to change, and simply drag it slightly to the right. This immediately turns it into a subpage, linked hierarchically beneath the page above. Additionally, if you're looking to reorganize the order of these pages or subpages, you can continue to drag them to different positions until you're satisfied with their placement. This flexibility allows you to customize your menu in a way that best suits the layout and flow of your site, ensuring your visitors have an intuitive navigation experience. And that's all it takes to create subpages in Wix Studio. You now have a strong understanding of how to manage your site's menu effectively, whether through the simple click method or utilizing the drag and drop technique. As you implement these methods, you'll find that a well-organized menu can significantly enhance user interaction, potentially increasing the time visitors spend exploring your website. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.